Here's how to resize images for WooCommerce properly, so you don't get stuck with product photos that look completely wrong on your store. Go into your WordPress dashboard and head to Appearance, then Customize. You'll see WooCommerce listed there, and under that, Product Images. Two settings here control everything. Main image width affects how big your photos appear when someone clicks on a specific product. Thumbnail width changes how they look in your shop grid and category pages. Thumbnail cropping is another thing to consider. Set it to 1:1 if you want everything square, or use custom if your theme works better with rectangular images. Square tends to be safer since most themes expect that. Hit publish when you're happy with your numbers. WooCommerce starts working on new image sizes right away, but anything you uploaded before won't change automatically. That's annoying, but there's a fix. Install the Force Regenerate Thumbnails plugin and activate it. You'll find it under Tools once it's running. The plugin shows you exactly which image sizes it's going to recreate, including your new WooCommerce dimensions. Click Regenerate All Thumbnails and let it run. Takes a while if you have tons of products, but when it's done, everything displays the way you actually want it to.